In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams as a beginner, focusing on simple yet essential steps to get you started on this fantastic platform. Let's dive right in with how to sign in and explore the main menu. Once you've logged into Microsoft Teams, you'll see a menu on the left with options like Activity, Chat, Teams, Calendar, and Files. Each of these sections has a distinct role. The Activity section shows all your notifications and updates, ensuring you stay informed about any actions that involve you. The chat feature allows you to have direct conversations with colleagues or group chats with teams. Under the Teams tab, you can find and manage all the teams you're part of. The calendar helps you keep track of meetings and important events, while Files gives you access to documents shared within your teams. Navigating these menus is crucial for effective collaboration and communication. So take a moment to familiarize yourself with each section. Next up, starting a chat is simple. All you have to do is click on the chat icon from the menu. Here you can type the name of the person you want to message in the new chat box, compose your message, and hit send. This direct line of communication is invaluable for clearing up quick questions or catching up with colleagues. If you're looking to work collaboratively, you might want to create or join a team. Inside the Teams tab, you have the option to create a team or join an existing one. Once you're part of a team, you can open a channel. These are like individual rooms dedicated to specific topics or projects, helping keep conversations organized and on topic. Now let's talk about scheduling or joining meetings using the calendar feature. To schedule a meeting, simply go to the Calendar tab and click on the New Meeting button. Fill in the details like the date, time, and attendees, then send out your invitation. If you need to join a meeting, you'll see it listed in your calendar, and you can join with just one click. During any meeting, you have options to toggle your microphone and camera to manage participation as needed. Sharing your screen is also straightforward. Just click the share icon to present your desktop or a specific window. You can also use the chat feature within the meeting for side conversations or questions. Finally, sharing files is an integral part of teamwork. You can share files directly in chats or within specific teams by heading to the Files tab. Simply click on the paperclip icon to attach files from your computer or cloud storage, enabling seamless file sharing with your team members. This feature supports collaboration by providing easy access to necessary documents without the hassle of back and forth emails. By mastering these basic elements of Microsoft Teams, you'll be well on your way to enhancing your productivity and collaboration skills. Remember, the more you use these features, the more natural they will become, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: your work, your projects, and your team. Thanks for tuning in, and happy teaming.